Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Miss Mavish Haris and I am your maths teacher from Peshawar Model School. This is our 21st lecture, and in this lecture we have to learn about chapter number 8, and the name of the chapter is algebraic expression. My dear student, in this chapter we have to learn and understand some facts about the algebra. So my dear student, the word algebra, what is algebra? Algebra is that branch of mathematics which deals with the quantities using letters A, B, C up to X, Y, Z to symbolize them. So what is meant by algebra? Algebra is that branch of mathematics. It is deals with the quantities using letters A, B, C up to X, Y, Z to symbolize them. And one of the best known Islamic mathematician Al-Khwarizmi introduced the algebra. He was known as the father of algebra. So my dear student, as mathematics is one of the things we have to learn in our daily life, and whenever we have to start the mathematics, first of all we have to learn how to count. Starting for the tiny age, you have to start counting and learn how to use their building blocks, how to count and move around the moving object. So same like the case, there are some terms which are very commonly used in algebra. So whenever before starting the algebra, we must have to understand these terms. So my dear student, I will explain you these terms one by one. So listen and understand carefully, because these terms are very helpful in algebra. The first term is constant, a symbol or letter having fixed numerical value is called a constant. The numbers 0, plus minus 1, plus minus 2, plus minus 3 are the constant because their values remain unchanged. I will give the example like 0, plus minus 1, plus minus 2, any number are the constant because their values remain unchanged. That's why I have to use here the word fixed numerical value. The next term is variable, a symbol variable. The word variables comes from varies. It's mean its value does not remain same. Its values become change. So a symbol or letter whose value does not remain constant is called variable. Does not remain constant mean these values are changeable. These values are a variable. Variable are usually denoted by small English alphabet. Here I will say you something more important about the variable. Variable are usually denoted by small English alphabet A, B, C, X, Y, Z. For example, let's see the example x plus 4, y plus 5. Here x and y are the variable or the literal number, wherein 4 and 5 are the constant. Here I use one example for you. X plus 4. X plus 4, x is a variable and 4 is a constant. So my dear student, take another example. Y plus 5. So y is a variable because it is an English alphabet and 5 is a constant. So x and y are variable or literal number, whereas 4 and 5 are the constant. Now come to the next topic, which is very important, algebraic expression. Whenever we have to combine constant, variable connected by the fundamental operations, there are 4 fundamental operations: plus, minus, multiply, divide is called algebraic expression. The combination of constant and variable A, B, C up to X, Y, Z connected by fundamental operations plus, minus, multiply, divide is called an algebraic expression. For example, 2x square plus x plus 5. You have to see in this variables are also involved. Constant is also involved. With the help of the fundamental operation plus, minus, multiply and the divide, so it is known as algebraic expression. Next term is literal number, an unknown number. An unknown number represented by an English alphabet is called a literal number. It is represented by an alphabet like y plus 5, so y is a literal number, x plus 4, x is a literal number. So polynomial, the word polynomial means an expressions having many terms. Poly means many and nomial means term. So polynomial, an algebraic expression in which the power of the variable are all whole number that starts from 0 is called polynomial. A polynomial of degree n in one variable x has terms of the form axn, where a is constant and n is a whole number. So the parts of polynomial are separated by the sign of addition, subtraction are called terms. For example, I will give you some example. X plus 5, it is a polynomial because the power of 5 is 0, which is a whole number, and the power of x, which is 1. So it is a polynomial. Some terms that are not a polynomial, as a power of every variable is not positive integer, so the degree of polynomial is the highest degree of its terms. Means a polynomial may also be in 2 or 3 variables. For example, x plus y, x square plus 3x square y plus 3xy square are polynomial in 2 variable x and y, whereas x square yz plus x y square z is a polynomial in 3 variables. 3 variables which we have to use here are x, y and z. So my dear student, there are some more facts about the polynomials, and kinds of polynomial are monomial, binomial and the trinomial. Monomial means a polynomial having only one term. For example, 3x is known as monomial. Binomial, a polynomial having 2 terms is called binomial, like y plus 3. Trinomial, a polynomial having 3 terms is called trinomial. For example, y square minus 2y plus 4 is called trinomial. Polynomial means those terms which have only one term. Binomial means polynomial having 2 terms. Trinomial means polynomial having 3 terms. Let's see this chart. My dear student, I will write one algebraic expression, 7n plus 2. Now you have to see that 7, which is displayed with blue color, it is a coefficient. The number which is written before the variable is known as coefficient. And which alphabet from A up to Z? Here we use the alphabet n. So n is known as variable. N is known as variable. From here, 2 is known as constant because its value remains unchanged. Now my dear student, which operation I will use here? Addition. We have to use 4 basic operation. Here we use the operation plus, addition. So how many terms are there? There are 2 terms. The first term is 7n and the second term is 2. I will explain this figure again. 7n plus 2 is an algebraic expression. 7 is known as coefficient because it is written before the variable. N is known as a variable. So because these are the English alphabet, 2 is known as constant. Here we use the addition operation and there are 2 terms. The first term is 7n and the second term is 2. Now my dear student, we have to start exercise 8.1. Write constant and variable. You know about the word constant and variable. So the one algebraic expression is given here. You have to distinguish what is the constant and what is the variable. So in first part, x minus 3. X is a variable and the constant is minus 3. Now I will give another question. y plus 5. So here y is the variable and 5 is the constant. Now our second question is this: which are polynomial? So my dear student, as you know about the polynomial, the first part is 2x plus 1. So the power of 1 is 0, which started from the whole number. So it's mean it is a polynomial. So we write here solution polynomial. Now the second part, y minus 1 divided by y. It is in the fraction form. It is not a polynomial. It is not a polynomial. Now the third question is names of polynomials. Now you have to know about the kinds of polynomial, which are monomial, binomial and the trinomial. So the first part is 2x. Now you have to see that there is only one single term. So the polynomial that consists of only one term is known as monomial. Now come to the second question, 8x plus 4. Here there are two terms. Two terms means it is a binomial because it consists of two terms. Now come to the question number 3, that is x minus y plus z. There are three terms, so it means it is a trinomial. So my dear student, here you have to learn about the algebra and there are some terms which you have to learn it. So complete exercise 8.1. Thank you.